Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this math Olympiad problem, there is a question given that a square minus b which is equal to 73 and b square minus a which is equal to 73, and we are finding the value of a and b, and there is a condition given that it does not equal to b. So first of all, we can see that the question is given which is a square minus b which is equal to 73 and b square minus a which is equal to 73. We can first of all we can write this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we are finding the value of a and b, and we can see that there is a condition if a equal to b and c equal to b. If a equal to b and c equal to b, then a which is equal to c. So these two will be, we can see that this is a, this is b, and this is c. So this is a, this is b, and this is c. So these two will be equivalent. So if we adding these two, or we can this apply this condition, this, and then this equation will be converted as a square minus b which is equal to b square minus a, because these two will be equivalent, then this will be equal to this side. So here we can if we adding b square, subtracting b square and adding a square on both sides, we can get a square minus b and minus b square plus a which is equivalent to 0. So here we can see that this is a square and this is b square. We can write, then this is minus b and this is a, so this is plus a, and this is minus b. We can write in last, which is equal to 0. So if we see this question, there is a condition. We can see that there is a formula. We know that any x square minus y square which is equal to x plus y and x minus y. So here in this a square minus b square, we can write a plus b and a minus b in the place of a square minus b square. So this equation will be converted as this is a square minus b square which is equivalent to a minus b, a plus b, and in this side we can take common of 1, and then we can get a minus b which is equal to 0. So here we can take common of a minus b on these two, we can get a minus b. If we take common, then this side we can left a plus b, and in this side we have left plus 1 which is equal to 0. So here we can get two value of a and b. So here a minus b which is equal to 0 and a plus b plus 1 which is equal to 0. Then in this side we can get a which is equal to b. Then this is rejected. This is, we can reject this side because in the question given that a does not equal to b. That is why this side will be rejected, and we can get only a plus b plus 1 which is equal to 0. So if a plus b plus 1 which is equal to 0, then we can get a plus b plus 1 which is equal to 0. Then we can get a plus b which is equal to minus 1, because if we subtracting minus 1 on both sides, we can get a plus b, the value of a plus b which is equivalent to minus 1. So here we can take square of on both sides. Taking square on both sides, we can get a plus b whole square which is equal to minus 1 whole square. So this will be equivalent to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this side we can get 1. So we can get the value of a square plus b square. We know that a square plus b square plus 2ab which is equal to 1. So a square plus b square which is equal to 1. So this is a plus b, which is equal to -1. So first of all, we can adding equation 1 and 2, these two equation, adding equation 1 and 2, we can get the equation 1, we noted a square minus b, which is equal to 73, and equation 2 we can get b square minus a, which is equal to 73. And if we adding these two equations, we can get a square plus b square minus a minus b, which is equivalent to 146. So here we can take common of -1 in this side, we can get a square plus b square. If we taking common of -1, we can get a plus b, which is equal to 146. So here we can get a plus b, which is equal to -1. So putting the value of a plus b, we can get a square plus b square -1, which is equal to 146. So this will be converted as a square plus b square plus 1, which is equal to 146. And if we subtracting 1 on both sides, we can get a square plus b square, which is equal to 145. Here we can get a square plus b square, value of a square plus b square. So in this side, if we squaring this equation, we can get a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to 1. So in this side, we putting the value of a square plus b square in this equation, so we can get so we have the equation given that a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to 1. If we putting the value of a square plus b square, so in this side 145 plus 2ab, which is equal to 1. So in this side we can subtracting -145 on both sides, we can get 2ab, which is equal to if we -145 on both sides, we can get -145 plus 1. So this will be converted as 2ab, which is equal to -144. So here if we dividing 2 on both sides, we can get ab, which is equal to -144 divided by 2, and this divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled, and we can get here we can get the value of ab, which is equal to -72. So here we can get the value of ab, which is equal to -72. As we know that a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a formula. So if we putting in this formula the value of a square plus b square, we can get a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square, we know that, which is equivalent to 145 here. So minus 2ab, we can get the value of ab -72. So here we can get a minus b whole square, which is equivalent to 145 plus minus will be positive. So 72 multiply 2, we can get 144. So here we can get a minus b whole square, which is equivalent to 289. So here we can taking root on both sides, a minus b whole square root, and this 289 root. So these two will be cancelled, and 289 root will be equivalent to plus minus 70, a minus b. So here we can get the value of a minus b, which is equivalent to plus minus 17. So there is two condition, a minus b, which is equal to 17, and a minus b, which is equal to -17. So here if we adding this equation to this equation, a plus b, we can get a plus b, which is equal to -1. So if we adding these two equation, we can get a plus b, which is equal to -1, and here also a plus b, which is equal to -1. We can get If we adding these two, we can get 2a, which is equivalent to, this will be equal to 16, and if we adding these two, we can get 2a, which is equal to minus 18. So here we can get, if we dividing 2 on both sides, we can get a, which is equal to 2 8s are 17. So we can get value of a here. If we putting the value of a in this equation, we can get the value of b. So 8 minus b, which is equal to 17, and minus b, which is equal to 17 minus 8. So minus b, which is equivalent to 9, and b, which is equal to minus 9. So we get the value of a and b in this equation, and also this equation. If we dividing 2 on both sides, we can get a, which is equal to minus 9, and b, putting the value of a in this equation, we can get minus 9 minus b, which is equal to minus 17, and if we adding 9 on both sides, we can get b is equal to minus 17 plus 9. So minus b, which is equal to minus 8, and b, which is equal to 8. So here we can get the values of a and b. So we can get a, b, two values of a and two values of b. So we can write a and b. We can find the value of a and b. A, which is equal to 8 here, and a 9, and two values of b here, b minus 9, and here b 8. So there is 4 values, 2 values of a and 2 values of b we can get in this equation. I hope you can enjoy the question. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.